Hey everyone, and welcome to a new vlog. I just got home from work. I'm starving. I'm gonna make dinner now. Today was a really long day. Just a lot going on at work. It's nice to be busy, but it really felt like a Monday. At least it's been warmer weather. We have been in the snowpocalypse here in Toronto over the last week, and we're finally in the positive degrees Celsius, which is so much better, and like your face doesn't feel like it's gonna freeze off when you go outside. I get a lot of questions on what kind of meals I like to cook, and you know that I like to meal prep. I've been a little bit in a rut lately, and that's why I haven't really been showing what I'm eating. So I'm really excited to be cooking a HelloFresh meal today. I am working with HelloFresh on this video, and I think it's the perfect time of year. It's the beginning of the year and just want to change up your routine. I get in a rut and cook the same things over and over. Like literally I have like meals on rotation that I just cook between. A lot of them are chicken dishes because that is like a meat that I feel comfortable cooking. So I'm really excited to try something new. My box was delivered last night to my concierge downstairs, close enough to my front door. Funny enough, I always see HelloFresh boxes at like the concierge downstairs. When I went to pick up mine, there was 3 others, and it's not a very large building, so a lot of people use HelloFresh. I unpacked the box yesterday. It came all with like the ice packs and everything. It was pretty cool, and I just unpacked it into my fridge. Because I didn't have to do groceries, because I knew I was getting this box, it actually fit in my little drawer here. So I have 3 different meals to pick from. I think I'm gonna do this one here. My box came with 3 meals, and these are the different meal cards that it came with. I love the pictures on here and like just how much this looks so good. Just how easy the instructions are to follow. This is the Thai pad krapao mu, which is what I'm gonna make tonight because it has pork in it, and I don't eat pork very much because I honestly don't know how to cook it, so I'm really excited to learn. This box also came with the retro burger here, which is cool because I also don't really cook burgers for myself because I don't know how, and this looks really cool. And then finally a chicken dish. This is the creamy tarragon chicken, which I love Brussels sprouts so much, so I'm so excited. All of these meals take 30 minutes to make. This looks so good. Let's see how well I do at making it look like the picture. Everything comes in this little pouch, and there's actually nutrition facts on the back, which is cool because when I'm making my own meals, I don't know what the nutrition facts are. So I have my recipe card. I have my lean ground pork. In this bag, there's also green beans. This is brown sugar, Thai basil. I don't have basil in my fridge. A little onion. Oh my god, that's so cute. Ginger, which I've never bought or used ginger before. Basmati rice. We have soy sauce, a little lime, 2 cloves of garlic, and a chili pepper. A lot of these ingredients like ginger, chili peppers, and pork I've never cooked on my own before. I feel like such a chef because I have all my ingredients already here. Well, this is my finished meal. I'm really excited to try it. I think it's pretty close. The only thing is this chili pepper was red, so that's what gives it that color. This one was green that they gave me. Now the moment I've really been waiting for, the taste test. So I'm gonna put some lime on top as recommended, maybe some water too. And now I get to try it. The flavors are so good. I wasn't expecting it to be this juicy. Wow, this is really good. And I made this. I never would have put this together on my own. So as I continue to eat this here, you can get a box of your own for 50% off using the code POLISHES50. So try HelloFresh and get 50% off your first box. I already texted my brother and told him that he needs to try this service because he's not very good at cooking. Actually, let me rephrase that. He's not very adventurous with cooking. So the fact that these give you all the ingredients and the recipe cards, I think it is something kind of foolproof that anyone can do and really gives you ideas for what to cook. Not just saying this is so good. The brown sugar on this made it so sweet. I would have never thought to put brown sugar on pork. Put a lime. Ta-da! Lunch for tomorrow. Now I'm all set up and I need to take some pictures of my nails for Instagram. This is how I do it.
Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make a good wish.
So Nikki and I are lounging. We had pho for dinner. Is it pho or pho?
I think pho.
So anyone remember my mom got me this for Christmas? I filled this one up for Nikki, and then I have another one, so I'm gonna fill that up for me. We're gonna chill on the couch with our hot water bottles, and we're making cookies. So we're technically celebrating Valentine's Day together because we won't be together on Valentine's Day. These are so cute. Ta-da! I should have worn my pink pajamas. I had pink ones. Alright, they're out of the oven. They're still warm. I'm gonna try the pink one because I want to know if it tastes any different. No, but it's delicious. Inside is still gooey. It's Friday and I'm spending it at home. I've had such a crazy week, very exhausting, up and down in emotions. And now we're here. It's Friday. I made it and I'm so happy. I went to HomeSense on my way home from work because it's along my way and I just love going just to browse. It makes me happy. I don't know. And this is what I picked up. It is a letterboard. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just setting it up. It has like a natural wood trim with gray and then the white letters. So I was going to put it up by my desk. So we'll see. This is the finished sign. I love it. It looks so cute here on my desk. I've always wanted one of these signs and I found it last night at HomeSense and it's so cute. Matches my decor too. Good morning. It's Saturday. I'm drinking my coffee and cleaning up around here, planning out what I want to do this weekend. But first I need to eat. And I'm making oatmeal. But here's the thing. I don't normally eat oatmeal. I bought it and I'm trying to make myself like it. But the first few times that I've attempted to eat it, I just don't like it. So I'm trying something new and trying to make myself enjoy oatmeal. But please leave me a comment below. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Because I want to like oatmeal, but I don't. So this is the oatmeal I have here. It's Quaker Oats. Quick Oats. Comes in a package. I'm putting it in this bowl. This one's just a plain. I also bought maple and brown sugar one, but it has a lot of sugar in it. And I still don't like it, so I don't know. I'm trying to go with this one for now. I'm gonna put in my hot water, and then I also have banana and raspberries. I'm gonna add on top, and hopefully I like it with fruit. Let's get a spoon so we can stir it up. I advised Nikki, because Nikki likes oatmeal. I'm like, how do you like it? Like, what do you do to make it taste good? And she said to boil hot water and put it in. Don't put it in the microwave. And then you can control the consistency. So put a little bit of water and then mix it around. So that's what I'm doing. I literally watched a YouTube video on how to make a good oatmeal. Okay, we're more at like a porridge consistency now. I like my bananas like really ripe because they're sweet. All right, it looks cute, so it should taste better, right? Let's give this a try. Better? I think I got the consistency better, and the banana adds flavor. I think it needs like maple syrup, something sweet, or else it just tastes like nothing. I just don't understand how people eat oatmeal and love it. Leave me a comment below. I am heading out right now, I have my jacket on, to a really exciting appointment. My future sister-in-law is going to try on bride dresses for the very first time, which is so exciting. So she invited me and my mom and a few other people to come experience that with her. So I'm so excited. I have my bag packed. I'm actually taking this bag, which I haven't used in forever. It is from Teddy Blake, and I forgot how much I liked it. Just wanted to share. Bridal shopping is done. She did pick her dress. It was such a beautiful moment. Now I'm on my way home, but on my way, we're stopping off at a StruckTube location that's along the way. And my mom is going to help me pick up my nightstand. I've been eyeing this nightstand. It's actually an end table for the longest time, and I think it's about time that I just get it. I wasn't sure what kind of nightstands I wanted for the longest time, but I keep coming back to this like specific design, so I'm just gonna get it. I don't think I've had nightstands for a year and a half because I didn't have a real nightstand at my other place either. Just been using this stool. It doesn't feel official. I'm having so much fun listening to Ariana Grande. I'm home now, and I thought I would do, let me prop up the camera here. Thought I would do a little haul of some of the things that I got. First of all, my mother bought me these cookies from Longo's that are the best. If you haven't had Longo's chocolate chip cookies, you're missing out. These are the mini ones, so at least it's not as bad, but like I shouldn't be eating this. They're so good, so soft. I'm gonna put them in the freezer. I'm gonna make another HelloFresh meal for dinner tonight, but I got a few things at HomeSense, but I didn't end up getting my nightstand. These are the things. I feel like I need to move you over here. That's better. So I didn't end up getting the nightstand. When we went to go see it at StruckTube, my mom didn't like that it was high gloss, the finish, because the ones on display had a few chips in it, and she was telling me that it would chip off easily and I would be disappointed. So I'm gonna still keep it in mind because I still really love the style of it, and I can't seem to find anything else anywhere that I really like. Like that is the exact look I'm going for. I really wanted it, but she was like telling me not to get it, so it's kind of hard for me to make the decision in the moment. So instead I just got some accessory things. So this is what I got from Bouclair Home. It's just this little fake plant. So I wanted to bring some more greens into my home, but real plants are not working out so well for me. My really big yucca plant over here in the corner is not doing so well. It looks like it's doing okay, but just comparing it to pictures of how it used to look, like the bottom piece used to have branches, it's just not doing so well. I just don't think that it's the right like temperature. I'm not sure what exactly I'm doing wrong. I don't water it too often because I did research that you're not supposed to water it, but I think it needs more sunlight than what I'm able to give it. But I thought that this one looked really real, so I was happy about it. It's $14.99. I also got this one from HomeSense that is a little bit bigger. It was also $14.99. And again, I thought it looked pretty real. And then the last thing I got, I guess I really didn't get much. I got some wooden hangers. So I got 2 packs of these. Probably should have got 3. And the reason why I got these are for my hall closet, for my coats, because right now I have just like a bunch of plastic hangers and they're not sturdy enough for like heavy winter coats. I have one nice hanger that I put my winter jacket on because my jacket is obviously heavy, it's like down-filled. But anytime I have anyone over and they have like another heavy jacket, my hanger is like not durable enough for it, and a lot of the times they break. I thought I got more than just 2 plants and some hangers. So this is what it looks like on my coffee table. I decided to put the bigger plant here. It's on one of my plates, and then I have these are real succulents. I just feel like they are not doing so well and probably going to die soon. But you would never know that this plant was fake unless I told you. And then this is what this plant looks like. And I have this pink candle, which I actually love the scent of. And that's what that looks like for now. Really simple. Those are just a few minor improvements. I feel like I've lived here for a while now, and At the beginning, when I first moved in, I was, you know, trying to make sure I had all my furniture, making sure everything was functional. And then once I got it to a level of just functional, then I kind of stopped making improvements. I recently got this mirror that's on this wall. I want it to feel more homey in here. I think adding plants will bring it more life. I'm really happy with the plants that I just added. I think there's still room for improvement. No room for improvement on these cookies. They're fantastic. I'm already loving these hangers. So this is what they look like, and these are the ones that I changed over. This is what I was working with before. Not bad, but they don't match, and they're like thin plastic hangers. I'm so happy. I'm in the kitchen now. It is a little bit later and I'm finally hungry, so I'm gonna make another one of my HelloFresh meals, and this is the chicken dish. I have been spacing these out throughout the week because I haven't been home as much. I went out to dinner and I am just getting around to this now, but I'm really excited, and this meal looks really simple to make, so I'm excited that it is not gonna take very long. I don't know what better night you can ask for than cooking a home-cooked meal and watching The Bachelor. This is my finished dinner. I'm so excited to try it. The sauce smells so good. All right, let's try this. Getting a bite of everything. Potato is hot, but it's really good. I really like this. And the sauce on the chicken is really good. Delicious. I'm just sitting here editing for the rest of the night. I love my little setup here with my new plant, my new sign, my favorite candle burning. Everything is all cleaned up from dinner, and I'm just gonna sit here editing for the rest of the night. I love sitting in a clean home and just feeling really good about my space, like with my new plants, and it's so cute. And I use this hot water bottle thing a ton. I just boiled some water and now I'm just sitting here editing, and it's really warm on my lap. That is about it for this week of my life. It was a really fun week. I really enjoyed getting to try new recipes with HelloFresh. Use my code POLISHES50 if you want 50% off your first order, link down below. And also just sprucing up my home, getting to share a very special moment with my sister-in-law, finding her wedding dress this weekend. That was so much fun and just like an emotional moment, so I'm really glad that I got to share it with her. Makes me really excited for her and my brother to get married, and also to look forward to that for myself in the future. Speaking of, I did my nails for Valentine's Day. That picture will be going up on Instagram this week, so give you guys some Valentine's Day inspiration. If you're not following me on Instagram, again, link down below. My username is prettypolishes YT. This was a really fun week. I really enjoy documenting my life. Now I'm just rambling. I hope you enjoy. Have a good night, and I will talk to you in my next vlog. Bye!